Bangalore, India, a city buzzing with energy. Startups everywhere, tech is king, and the real estate market? It's booming. But this boom comes with a price. Competition is fierce. Every real estate agency is fighting for attention. This is where our story begins. Meet PinCode Realty, a real estate agency struggling to make a mark. They were lost in the crowd. Their old ways weren't working. Cold calling? Dead end. Newspaper ads? So yesterday, they knew they needed a change, a digital transformation. The question was, how? PinCode Realty had a website. They had social media pages. But something wasn't clicking. Their online presence was weak. Their website was clunky, hard to navigate. Their social media, boring, no engagement, no leads, no sales. It was like they were lost in a digital jungle. They were posting content, but it wasn't reaching the right people. They were getting leads, but couldn't keep track of them. Everything was manual, messy, and inefficient. They knew they needed a better system. The digital transformation. PinCode Realty decided to change their game. They partnered with us, Touchstone Infotech. The goal? To revamp their online presence. They needed a complete makeover. The new website had to be fast and mobile-friendly. They started creating engaging content. Smarter marketing, real results. Their website traffic skyrocketed. Leads started pouring in. The quality of leads improved. These were serious buyers, ready to invest. Their sales started to soar. Trust is the new currency. The digital transformation wasn't just about website traffic, it was about building trust. Their new online presence showed reliability. This trust translated into loyalty. The digital edge. PinCode Realty's success story shows the power of digital marketing. They went from being lost in the crowd to being a leader. Embrace the digital world and succeed. It's time to win in the digital age.